As human beings, we are wired to communicate with each other in various ways. While verbal communication is an essential aspect of our daily interactions, nonverbal communication plays an equally important role in conveying our thoughts, feelings, and intentions. From the way we stand, gesture, and make eye contact to the tone of our voice, nonverbal cues can significantly influence the meaning and impact of our message. In this article, we'll explore the power of nonverbal communication and how it can enhance or hinder our ability to connect with others. Today we will learn and explore nonverbal communication, the importance of body language, facial expressions, and tone of voice in communication. If you are ready, let's get started. Effective communication is key to building strong relationships, both personally and professionally. While verbal communication is important, nonverbal communication plays a crucial role in how we communicate with others. In fact, research has shown that nonverbal communication can account for up to 93% of the messages we send and receive in any given interaction. Body language. Body language refers to the physical movements, gestures, and postures that we use to convey our thoughts and feelings. These nonverbal cues can often communicate more than words alone, as they can provide context and emphasis to our messages. For example, crossing one's arms may indicate defensiveness or discomfort, while leaning in towards someone can signal interest or engagement. It is important to be aware of our own body language and how it may be perceived by others. In addition, we should also be attentive to the body language of others, as it can reveal underlying emotions or attitudes that may not be expressed verbally. Facial expressions. Facial expressions are another key aspect of nonverbal communication. Our facial expressions can convey a wide range of emotions, such as happiness, sadness, anger, and surprise. They can also indicate our level of interest or attentiveness in a conversation. When communicating with others, it is important to be mindful of our own facial expressions and what they may be communicating to those around us. For example, furrowing one's brow may indicate confusion or concern, while a smile can convey warmth and friendliness. Tone of voice. The tone of voice that we use can greatly impact the meaning of our messages. It can convey our emotions, attitudes, and intentions, and can greatly influence how our words are received by others. For example, speaking in a calm and even tone may communicate confidence and authority, while a high-pitched or trembling voice may indicate nervousness or uncertainty. It is important to be intentional with our tone of voice when communicating with others. By using an appropriate tone, we can ensure that our messages are received in the intended manner. The importance of nonverbal communication. Nonverbal communication plays a crucial role in our everyday interactions with others. It can greatly impact the effectiveness of our messages, as well as the quality of our relationships with those around us. By being mindful of our nonverbal cues, we can improve our communication skills and ensure that our messages are received in the intended manner. In addition, nonverbal communication can also provide important clues about the emotions and attitudes of others. By being attentive to the nonverbal cues of those around us, we can gain a deeper understanding of their thoughts and feelings, and better connect with them on a personal level. In conclusion, nonverbal communication plays a vital role in our daily interactions, whether we are aware of it or not. Understanding and utilizing nonverbal cues such as body language, facial expressions, and tone of voice can greatly enhance our ability to communicate effectively and build stronger relationships with others. By paying attention to nonverbal communication, we can gain a deeper understanding of what others are truly communicating, and we can also become more aware of our own nonverbal cues and how they may be perceived by others. So, the next time you find yourself in a conversation, pay attention to the nonverbal cues being exchanged. Notice the subtle changes in body language, facial expressions, and tone of voice, and use this information to guide your communication. And become a more effective communicator and build stronger connections with the people around you. Remember, communication is not just about the words we use, it's also about the nonverbal cues we give and receive.